Hi. And as the bear and the dog, they started to walk side by side. They were very happy, and they, they had seen a herd of cows grazing. They were very happy. And the bear said that, okay, I'll go and kill one of the cows, and we can cut, and I'll cut, and we can have a big feast with the cow. So, as they were moving towards the herd of cows, the cows started mooing. What do you mean by mooing? They made some noises as if they are frightened, and they started running here and there, and they just went. They started running here and there. So the bear understood that something is wrong, and suddenly the bear went and hid behind a. He went and hid behind a tree. The dog was surprised. He asked, Master, what happened? Why all of a sudden you were behind the tree? Why are you hiding? Then the bear said that, can't you see? See, the lion is coming, and he is the strongest of all the other beasts in the forest. He is the king of the forest. If he sees us, he will kill you and me. Don't go. We can hide and sit in the behind this tree. Then the dog understood that. Oh my God! This is the this bear is also very not strong like as a master, and I don't want to serve this master, because there is another animal who is stronger than the bear, that is strongest and the more ferocious. So it's better for me to go and serve that animal. So suddenly he left the bear and he went behind the lion. And the lion, when he turned back and he saw that a dog was coming behind him, and he thought that why this small creature is coming behind me? What do you want? He asked. The lion asked, what do you want? Then very humbly the dog said, Master, I am ready to serve you. Will you accept me as your servant? The dog was very happy and he said, why not? I will accept you as my servant. And the dog was also very happy, and he started to serve the lion. And both of them were very happily, they were going through the forest and they were living very happily. So one day as they were moving through the forest, he saw the lion saw, he sniffed with the nose, he sniffed. Then the dog asked, what happened? Why are you doing like this? Then he said that, see, I get the smell of man. What? Then why, if there is a man, why are you so scared? You are the king of the forest, then why are you scared? No, he is more stronger than, he is the strongest in the universe. He is a man, he is the strongest in the universe. He can kill you and me. Oh, the dog said that. This is also no use of serving, no point of serving this lion. It's better, leave him. Then he thought, he went behind the man, and the man was looking at this dog, and he said that it's very cute, and slowly he was shaking, wagging his tail, and he went, for some days he will move front then back, and wagging his tail. So the man asked, what happened? What do you want? Then the dog said that, I know that you are the strongest in the universe, and Master, I'll be very faithful and loyal to you. Can you accept me as your servant? The man was very happy, and he agreed that he will be his master, and he can look after this dog, and instead of that, the dog will be very faithful and loyal to the master. So that is the end of our story. And in this lesson, once again, we will go back to our lesson, that is, how many characters are there? See, the first character is the dog. Okay. Then he went in search of a master. At first, he went to whom? He went to a wolf. At first, he went to a wolf. Then, after staying for some time, he understood that he is not as brave as and as courageous as the bear. Then he went to another animal, that is a bear. So, with the bear also, he did not stay for long because the bear was not as ferocious like the lion. So, thirdly, he went to a lion. Even the lion, the king of the forest, was not able to protect and save the life of. The dog was very afraid because the tiger and other animals will come and catch him and kill him something. So the lion was also not ready to help him. So lion said that, no, I can't. The most the powerful powerful is the man in the universe. So I am helpless. So the man is the most powerful human being on the earth. So at last he came to the man, and till today, now the dog is serving the man, and the man protects the dog, and dog is a very loyal and faithful animal. Because of that, most of the household, they keep a dog until the death. They will be very faithful and loyal to the master. That is the very loyal animal. Okay, and today now we will go through the new words. You can understand. You should understand all these new words. And you have to use these words in your own sentences. Okay, these are the meanings. Take up service with. What's the meaning of take up service with? Is become the servant of. So, take up service with. Become the servant of. Next word is darted. Darted is moved quickly. Okay. Next one, dared. Dared means how dare you are. Sometimes people will ask, what's the meaning of that? Dare means to be brave enough to do something. Okay, if somebody tease you, oh, how dare are you to tease me, like that. So that is dared. Now next word is cliff. Cliff means a steep high rock. A steep high rock. A steep high rock. That is cliff. So my dear students, we came to the end of this story, and this story is known as because fable. It is the story of animals is known as fable. So you have to read this lesson not once, twice, thrice, more than 3 times you have to read and understand. Okay. Now if I go and read the lessons, it will be more time consuming. So you have to read more than 3 times. Okay.